Have you struggled with doing your hair? Or you didn't know what products to use? Or the products you use don't work? Well, here's 5 tips to figure out what works best for you and your natural hair. Hey guys, it's Dev, and I'm here today to give you 5 tips to figure out what works best for your natural hair. Tip number 1, find out what your hair porosity is. Hair porosity is your hair's ability to absorb and retain moisture. In order to figure out where your hair falls in the hair porosity spectrum, your hair porosity could be low, normal, or high. And here's 3 ways that you can figure out your hair porosity. You can do the strand test, the shedding hair test, or the H2O test. When you figure out your hair porosities, this can determine how well your hair retains moisture. Number 2, keeping a consistent regimen. Some people like to wash their hair once a week, twice a week, or sometimes once a month. For me, I wash my hair every other week. If you keep a consistent regimen, your hair will progress and flourish. Number 3, finding out what your hair density is. The density of your hair refers to how tightly individual strands of hair are tightly packed together. And by doing this, you can figure out what products work best for you, whether it's light creams or heavy creams. Number 4, consistent trims. You need to trim your hair consistently. You don't have to trim your hair every month. Listen to your hair and trim it when your hair tells you to. Everyone's hair is different and everybody has a different schedule. For me, I trim my hair every 6 months or every 4 months, or whenever my hair needs it. If I start to see a lot of split ends, then I start to trim my hair. I know my hair needs trimming when it's hard to detangle. Number 5, maintaining a balance between moisture and protein. Hair moisture helps with the appearance and the manageability of your hair. Hair protein is creating a protective barrier for your hair. Protein grabs onto the hair follicle and fills in any gap or hole that blocks the cuticle. The result is stronger hair and a layer of protein that blocks any damages. By maintaining a balance of protein and moisture, you'll be able to reduce the risk of overload and breakage in your hair. If you want to learn how to do protective styling, how to maintain and protect your natural hair, how to make your hair seem voluminous, bomb product reviews, and overall knowledge of hair care, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my next video. If you have any questions or would like to talk to me more, follow me on Instagram at devo.nnea.